So, infant CPR, infants defined as being under 1. But the first thing to remember, check for danger, make sure you're safe, make sure the casualty's safe, the casualty's family's safe. You're going to call the paramedics, make sure that it's safe for them as well, and the bystanders. So, an infant is under 1. Because she's under 1, she's made of cartilage still, she's not made of bone, so we can't tip her head back like before. What we need to do is layer on something that gives us that shape. So I'm going to use a towel. You can't lay an infant on a bed, on a cot, on a settee, on a chair, or anything that's not going to give you resistance when you do the compressions. Otherwise, as you press down, so it's going to press down as well. We've checked for breathing. She's not breathing normally. But this time, because I'm not tipping her head back, I don't need to hold her chin. So I can use this hand to hold her head still and lay my arm flat along the floor. And I can put this hand on her chest with no pressure at all on there. I need to give her 5 breaths first because the likelihood is it's been airway and lungs, not heart related. So her heart's been beating and using up the oxygenated reservoir. So I'm going to put my hand on her chest. I'm going to cover her mouth and nose with my mouth and blow 5 times very quickly, and as soon as I feel air entering her chest, I'm going to stop blowing. Otherwise, I can overinflate her lungs. So 5. Then put my hand next to her. If I've got my hand on the same surface she's lying on, I'm going to get some feedback as to how far down I'm pressing. I'm going to use 2 or 3 fingers on the middle of her chest, fingers level with her armpit again, and my shoulder above the centre of her chest. And I'm going to go down about 1/3 the depth of the chest, 30 times. And until I get the colour change, the perfusion. So 30 times, and then head tilt again, hold her head still, and then cover her mouth and nose with mine again, and 2 breaths this time, again with my hand in the centre of her chest. And keep going until someone more qualified turns up.